What do you think about the pyramid?
Ooh. I think it's colorful. Nancy, how do you turn this off?
You go press that button over there. That green one.
Kringle, push the button.
She said over there.
One button.
I got a bird.
Big button. I think it's time to knock it down.
Last time, and Nancy gets to do the honor. Taylor, record me. Ready? I'm gonna knock it down.
God, you're so zoomed in. Hold on.
Let's play Gazooka, or whatever it's called.
Bazooka. Wait, how do you zoom this thing?
You go, Taylor.
She said, let's eat it.
Y'all are like super close then.
Taylor, give me the camera. Give it to me.
Okay, hold on. Let me tell my joke.
Get back. Don't throw them.
Let me tell my joke. Wait, no, you can't even hear it on this thing.
Yes, you can.
Put it down on the computer.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Why
Turn it off, you dummy.
Turn it off, please.
Why did I throw butter out the window?
Why?
Why? Because you want to
Big
see
question.
butterflies?
Yeah, that's totally right. And you butthole, you said it. Okay, bye.
She said, okay, bye. Shut her button.